students, I welcome you all in Holy Cross Higher Secondary School in the stream of science, which you have chosen for your career. Myself, Kanchan Singh, will talk with you about the subject physics. Here, when you go to study about the science, you should know that what is science. Generally, science is the study of nature. That means it is that subject where you can govern the universe. You can know everything about the universe. And in science, where there are two branches are there. One branch is known as physical world, and other branch is known as what? Biological world. In physical world, you will study the physics, chemistry, mathematics, astrophysics, and other subjects are there. Nuclear physics, nuclear chemistry are there. Quantum mechanics are there. When you go to the biological science, you will go through the what? Botany, zoology, anthropology, entomology, other subjects. Here, in this category, we will come to study about the physics. And it is very important subject because it is very closer to the nature. Generally, physics is the study of measurement. How we are going to measure anything. Is it clear? So whenever another physics derived from the Greek word. The physics word derived from the Greek words. Okay. And it means what? It means the study of nature. In physics, if you go to the Sanskrit meaning of physics, it means what? Bhutuki. That means what? To know about the world. To know about the bhu. Bhu means this world, about this world. You want to know about the world, whatever the phenomena are going around us. If you go to the physics, you will see that there are different topics are there, different branches of the physics are there. When you study them thoroughly, you will see that the upliftment of a country generally depends upon the upliftment of the physics. If you go to the different countries, suppose America, China, Japan, Russia, other countries, if you go developing countries, you will see that their physics is developed in a higher level. That's why these countries are economically developed. Everywhere they are developing themselves. When you want to study about the other planets, or about the other planets, or about the sun, or about the stars, if you want to study, you have to go through the physics. So physics has lots of scopes are there. With physics, we can go, whether if you want to study science, whether if you want to study that engineering, if you want to study that medical, if you want to become the science, you can go anywhere with physics. Without physics, you cannot go anywhere. You are not eligible to enter in the next higher level studies. So, physics is the main subject is chosen for yourself. There are different branches of physics are there. We will study in the class 11. There are 10 units are there. First unit is physical world. Next one is motion in straight line. Then motion in plane. Then gravitation. Then we will study about after gravitation we will study about that rotational motion. After rotational motion, there is topics about the force is there also, and then there is a heat chapter is there, total heat. I will talk about maximum about the heat, and then last chapter is last two chapters are there. One chapter is what waves and sound, and one chapter, forgot the chapter name of the chapter is gravitation, rotational motion, then circular motion is there. Okay, there are different units, 10 units are there. We have to, mark distribution is there. I will give you the mark distribution in the group also, how you have to go through it. But the main problem is that you have to go through every topic seriously. If you are not serious, if you are not go through the topics, you will not find any interest in the subject. When you go through the interest, if you know the interest, if you want to grow the interest, you have to go through the subject. Is it clear? And if there is an interest is there in the subject, then you will see that your mark will automatically go up. Is it clear? Your mark depends upon your interest in the subject. If the interest is more, your mark will go up more. Mark is the factor is there, you know. In your higher secondary studies, mark is the main factor. If your marks is not good, what will happen? You will not allow to enter in any topic. You are not allowed to enter anywhere. Isn't it? So mark is the main what? We can say mark is the main theme where we can grow up ourselves. And if we want to grow ourselves, what we have to do? We have to give the interest in the subject. This subject is not comparable with other subjects. It is very important subject, very different. If you go to study the chemistry, mathematics, other subjects, if you go, and if you study the physics, you will see that all the subjects are correlated to each other. They are all correlated with each other. So, my suggestion is that give interest in all the subjects. Not only in my subjects, in physics also, chemistry also, mathematics also. In biology, if you have biology also. Because your results depends upon this, all these marks about the, and whatever marks you are getting in all the subjects. When you study in the second year, you will get that modern physics are there. And this modern physics, you will study, suppose modern physics, when you go to the study about the atoms and nuclei, and there are things you can get in chemistry in the first year also. When you study the chapter of thermodynamics in my physics class in the first year, you will study, this is also related with what? In the first year, in the thermodynamics chapter is also related in the chemistry also. So my suggestion is, don't leave any class, either of chemistry or of physics or of mathematics. All the classes, give full strength to all the classes. Join all the classes regularly. When you join all the classes regularly, you will see that different teachers are there in our school. All the teachers are very serious. I know that all the teachers are very serious. They will give you maximum input. And your work is what? You have to take that input for yourself. You have to go through everything. If you have any problem, you can ask me about the physics. You can ask me directly in my WhatsApp number, whatever given in your group. And you can call me anytime about the topics. If there is any doubt is there, I can clear it. I can talk with you at any time. We are here to help you, friends. And you have to give your 100% with us. We are giving 100%, you should also give 100%. That means what? If your bonding is good, then what will happen? We may prosper in life. And Holy Cross is that institution where the discipline is maintained everywhere. Discipline is the main theme of this one, and you should be disciplined and you should be regular in your classes. Okay, and from the next class we will go through the topics about whatever the different topics are there. We will study. Be regular and be sincere. Okay, thank you. That's all for today.